Hey, did you know that TikTok just announced a new feature which is called auto captions? And it just basically makes short form videos more accessible. And so, yeah, if you create videos, I think right now in English, then auto captions will be created automatically. And to access that, you just need to create the video, and then in the edit process you will see something like captions, and then you can also edit this auto-generated captions if you are not happy with the result. So it's super cool. So this is how it looks like, the preview of it. So just tap on edit and you can auto edit these captions. So super cool. I didn't find them yet in my TikTok app. Probably they're just rolling out it soon to uh, to all users around the world, but it's not available yet. So yeah, try it out.